2. Feuerbach. The radicalism of Hegel was veiled. That of the post-Hegelians was open. Ludwig Andreas Feuerbach, 1804 to 1872, brought out into the open the veiled anti-Christianity of his day in The Essence of Christianity, which was translated into English by the novelist George Eliot. Marion Evans. Feuerbach, in writing a preface to the second edition, observed that the basic ideas of my book, though not in the form in which they are expressed and had to be expressed under present circumstances, will certainly some day become the property of all mankind. Feuerbach had rightly understood the reception of his book among intellectuals. Its ideals would be taught by the schools and universities for some generations to become the property of all mankind. His thesis was a simple one, namely the anthropological essence of religion. It was not God who made man, but man who made God. The object of a subject is nothing else than this subject's own nature objectified. Such as are a man's thoughts and moral character, such is his God. It follows, therefore, that God's attributes are simply projections and purifications of man's attributes. For the divine being is nothing else than the nature of man, that is, human nature purified, freed from the imperfections of the human individual, projected into the outside, and therefore viewed and revered as a different and distinct being with a nature of its own. All the attributes of the divine being are therefore attributes of man. Thus man, while he apparently humiliated himself to the lowest degree, is in truth exalted to the highest, for in and through God, man aims at himself. Briefly stated, God is the mirrored image of man. Feuerbach thus saw religion as an illusion and a dream. Marx and Freud were later to develop these concepts of religion as the opium of the masses and an illusion. For Feuerbach, to live in projected dream images is the essence of religion. Religion sacrifices reality to the projected dream. The beyond is merely the here reflected in the mirror of imagination. Feuerbach openly abolished the beyond. Hegel had done it in veiled terms, but Feuerbach bluntly stated his practical conclusion. If the nature of man is man's highest being, if to be human is his highest existence, then man's love for man must, in practice, become the first and highest ethics. This is the turning point of world history.